Hi, my name is Tapang Felicia Ramalga, a chemical engineering graduate passionate about data science. This project predicts the remaining useful life of aircraft engines using the NASA CMA-PSS dataset. This dataset simulates 100 aircraft engines. It also includes the operational settings and the sensor measurement, which are recorded over time. The goal of this project is to predict how many cycles an engine has left before it fails, which is key in reducing unplanned maintenances. After going through the data, next step is pre-processing. I cleaned the data and added the time-dependent features, which are the rolling mean, the rolling standard deviation, the delta, the exponential moving averages, and then I normalized circle count. I then trained three models, which are the light GBM, the SVM, and the LSTM. I evaluated the models using the MAE, the RMSE, and the R squared. Light GBM had the best result with R squared of 0.907 and RMSE of 20.63 on the holdout dataset. I then saved the results in a model comparison file so that I can use them in Power BI. I designed a Power BI dashboard to make the results easier to explore. It includes a comparison of model performance, actual versus predicted RUL, and sensor behavior over time. You can also use slices to explore individual engines and how the sensor readings change as they degrade. Thank you for watching. The full project is available on my GitHub and link is provided on my CV.